This week, I found out photographing the moon was not easy. And while I contemplated how I could take a picture of the moon, I took a little trip to apple picking in a local park and finally discovered, through some research, how to take a picture of the moon. And now it's an idea of trying to re-edit the photo that I'd really wanted to capture.
Hey, I'm excited about photography and I hope you are too. So let's learn together.
First thing we got to do is pick out which photo we want to use. And this particular set, I don't like that. The sun has set. We've lost a lot of color. This one provides more headroom, but the clouds seem to be like less dramatic. And here we've lost a lot of color. I think that was just the setting of the camera. Is this the original? I can get a little bit more headroom to that flag maybe. It's a little bit better. Now let's edit this one. So we'll take this, I'll edit in Photoshop. And then when we're at it, down here, actually I don't make these out. Nope. This is a picture, by the way, of the moon I took at night, stacked. There's a bunch of them stacked up, which came out pretty good. I'm fairly impressed by that. I think maybe a zoom lens would have been better to get it a little bit crisper, because at this point if I zoom in on it, you can kind of see where it gets pixelated around the edges. So this is, where are we at? 100%. You can see 100% here. Doesn't look too bad. Let's get rid of that. So we take that photo, we're going to go back into Lightroom, and I managed to get a picture of the moon at the end of the day. There it is. Doesn't look too bad. It was before the full moon, so I think this is what they call waxing. As you can see, it's just slivers of it missing, as opposed to waning. What do I want to do? Edit this in Photoshop, because I'm going to try here. Yeah, right. Deselect that. So now we're just grabbing the center. Okay, cool. So if we copy this, that should be the moon. Bring it over here. We paste it in. We've got a new moon here. If we bring that up to where that moon is, cover it. I think that looks pretty good. That's what the kind of what it looked like. However, not exactly. If I move the moon out of the way, you can see the sunlight is over here shining this way. Tell by the light pole, the reflection off the clouds. The light is coming from the right, and the moonlight, the moon being lit on this side, is coming from this direction. Here it was setting in the main picture, but the moon, well, the sun was actually rising. The moon was setting. So in order to match the color of what we're seeing here, we need to flip that. In order to do that, we're going to do a Control T, right click, and flip horizontally. That looks a little bit better. If we did a T on it, shrunk it down to what it looked like. Zoom in. Cover the moon that's there. About the same size. But we're going to need to rotate it just a little bit. Because if we look at where it is, you can see it's half. It's I think it'd be about right about there. That should mimic what I saw in the photograph when I took the picture that day. It's not completely accurate because I just rotated the moon and it's facing the wrong way. You'd only notice that if you looked really closely, I believe. So that's not bad. Yeah, that didn't turn out as bad as I thought it would. Yes, I edited the photo. Yes, it's not exactly accurate, but that's kind of pretty much what I saw that day. I mean, the clouds were brilliant, the green mountains, the pink blue skies. I don't know how else to describe it, but getting too deep into it, that's what I saw. I think it turned out well.
Okay, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. I post a weekly video, so be sure not to miss next week's video by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you next week.